This is the Oral-B electric disposable toothbrush. It has an on and an off button, but there's no actual physical connection between the main motor cavity and the head. It's just no connection at all. So how does it work? You're going to take this apart after you've drawn it. So you're going to draw a side view, and then you're going to physically take it apart and find out how it operates. Start by twisting the battery cavity at the end, and inside you'll see where the battery used to be. Technically, you're supposed to put a screwdriver about 12 fins down into a small hole, which you should be able to feel here, which will release the whole mechanism. However, if you take a pair of pliers and grip that bottom metal piece and hold the body quite firmly, use your thumb as a lever at the end here and just turn the pair of pliers across, the whole unit will then pull out. You can then investigate that, and you can look at the switch, and you can look at the way the motor works and how the wiring and the battery works. Do look at the end cap and notice the waterproof seal, which is what stops the water getting in.